The 14.6 kilowatt Capacitor Battery Spot Welder by AWithZ is a versatile tool equipped with both automatic and foot pedal modes, offering flexibility and precision during use. It boasts a rapid 5-minute setup time thanks to its wide voltage input and high current adapter, making it a convenient choice for quick projects. This spot welder is highly adaptable, capable of handling a variety of battery types, such as 18650 and LiFePO4, as well as different materials including nickel, stainless steel, and copper sheets. The welder is powered by 2 built-in super energy storage capacitors, ensuring stable and high performance with a maximum pulse welding power of 14.6 kilowatts. Its flexible and soft spot welding pen lead allows for easy maneuverability, and the inclusion of multiple replacement pins enhances its usability and longevity. Packaged with a comprehensive set of accessories, this welder is ready to use straight out of the box and comes in an attractive package suitable for gifting.